So, isa-isa natin tanggalin. Ang dami talaga. Kakatuwa. And for those na nanonood ng mga Chinese dramas, and I think you guys know si Zhao Lucy, very popular sa China. Again guys, hindi ko collection to, sa wife ko to. There is one store there sa Wuhan na nakita namin sobrang daming Zhao Lucy stuff. Okay, that's it. Wala nang laman. And isa-isahin na natin. This is a photo card. Tignan nyo. Sayang yung box, maganda eh. Pag kinatter natin, magkagasgas. Maganda siya. Ang dami oh, iba't iba. Walang doble. So it's all different photo cards ni Zhao Lucy. Ito maganda. Nice. Ang dami, di ba? Oh. Uy, okay to oh. Nag-workout siya. Okay siya. So I think bibigyan ko yung wife ko ng sleeves para mas sleeves niya per card para hindi ma-damage. Ganda. Fairness. I mean for the price, 5 times 8. Mura lang, di ba? Parang kanin, 40? 40 pesos. Ilang photo cards na to? Di ko lang na start bilangin. I think 55. Ayan. 55. Try na natin bilangin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Dami ah. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Tama. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 cards. Sobrang sulit. And hindi nyo makikita to dito sa Pilipinas. Keychain. Ganda. Actually, sikat siya. Even sa Japan, mga acrylic keychain or acrylic stands. Oh, okay. So, ayan siya. You can see may chain and ikakabit mo dito. Ito yung facsimile autograph ni Zhao Lucy. And this is the acrylic keychain. So, ganda, di ba? Makapal yung kanyang plastic. So, matibay siya. May cover siya. So, pag tinanggal mo, peel off. Okay? Next time na namin peel off. Okay? Next item. Okay? Hindi kami sure kung ano to ha. So, let's unbox. Nakalagay lang siya is ticket. Para siyang photo card din ang dating. Pero mahaba siya. Okay. So, pahaba siya. And, okay. Para siyang photo card pero nakalagay ticket. Ang cute, no? Para siyang ticket ng mga... Para siyang movie ticket, I guess. Pero photo card. And again, wala na naman siyang doble. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ganda to. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. At napansin ko, check this out. Sana makita dito sa ano. It's hollow foil, oh. Nagre-reflect. Galing, di ba? Think, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Ang ganda ng dulo. Guys, quality siya. Maganda yung paper niya. Hollow foil siya. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano siya malalagay. Siguro papalaminate or something kasi wala namang ganito kahabang sleeves. So, babalik na lang namin to sa box. This is one of the items na very cool. It's a pin. And makikita nyo may glitter sa loob. Ang ganda nung Rosie. Bayan yung ano niya. Nickname. Ganda ng... Ito pala, sorry. Ito pala yung packaging niya. There. And hindi mo alam which picture ang makukuha mo. So, parang surprise. Ito yung nakuha namin. May water sa loob with glitters. Ito naman siya, mga photo cards din na naka-sealed. No? Size, parang siyang size ng credit card. 1, 2, 3. Ito maganda with a dog. 3, 4, comedy. 4, 5, 6. Okay siya. Tapos sa likod may ano, nakalagay, Zhao Lucy. Para siyang Instax or... Instax nga. It's Fujifilm. Ang ganda. Okay. Don't put in your mouth. Pasa nyo yan, ha? Don't put in your mouth. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. O yan, Chinese lettering. So, let's just go ahead and open this one. Oh, okay. So, the big reveal. It's a pin. I think pin siya na malaki. Na pwede siyang gawing stand. Dumikit na dito sa... Grabe naman yung pandikit natin. Yan. The big reveal is here. Pang! Yun ang nakuha. Ganda oh. Hollow foil din. So, pwede siyang ipin. Ipin mo siya. Sobrang laki naman ito kung ipipin mo somewhere sa damit mo or sa cap. Or pwede mo siyang gawing stand. Very cute. Open natin para try natin yung stand. Galing ah. Hindi ko na-expect na pin pala tong giant pin. Tingnan nyo yung quality. Ang ganda oh. Ganda na quality. Nagre-reflect. So, try natin siya as stand. Yan. Okay na. Tumayo na. So, for this one, I have a feeling na parang pin din siya. Pero ito parang mas madali siyang buksan, no? Meron siyang arrows here. So, ano lang natin. Just like that. Tapos, no, hindi siya pin. Wow! Okay. Okay, ano to, ruler? Ito siya. Acrylic siya. Meron din siyang glitters and water sa loob. So, try ko lang i-stand. Hindi ako sure eh. Ano ba to? It's a design. So, I guess pwede mo siyang itayo somewhere sa wall. Okay. More photo cards here. Ito naman mas malaki. Okay. Halos doble nung Instax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next natin is, this is just a, ano siya? It's a magazine. So, siya lang yung cover. And, yeah, wag na natin hindi ko na to tatanggalin. This one naman, ang haba niya. So, you guys, if you want to watch Zhao Lucy in action sa Netflix, Hidden Love, tanggalin muna natin itong mahaba. Okay. So, it's like a mini poster na pahaba. Cute. And ang kasama pa niya, tanggalin lang natin lahat. We have a smaller version of that poster. Also, textured siya, para siyang matte finish. Ganda. Ganda siya, kakaiba. Plus, we have photo cards again of Rosie. And this is also textured. So, it's not like the Instax na smooth. This one is textured. Parang sobrang mild na sandpaper ang dating. So, kakaiba. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dito na tayo sa mga malalaking box. This one, it says here, Platinum Gift. Yun lang yung nababasa dito. And the rest is Chinese. Platinum gift box. There. Open. It's another box. So, another box. Talagang mystery. So, game. Wala. Oh, what is this? Tumbler lang. Okay. So, meron siyang may spring. I guess that itong spring cock lalagay mo. Plastic yung top cover, but this is glass. What else do we have here? Let's see. Trading card. Look at that. It says here, trading card. And another trading card. Malalaki to ah. Malalaki yung picture niya. Your star shines bright, guiding my way. Okay. Yun yung song niya ni Zhao Lucy. This is Rosie. Another, I guess pwede niyong gawing bookmark. Diba? May photos niya. Another trading card. So this is our third trading card. And this is a mini magazine booklet. Ayun oh, may mga pictures niya inside. Okay ah. Maganda yung sa Paris. Ang ganda nung ano niya, no? Ganda ng quality nung print. Oh, ganda oh. If you can't get enough of Zhao Lucy, we have more, guys. Oh, ito. Another parang bookmark type photo card. And we have here cartoon ni Zhao Lucy. Ayan o, parang cartoon artwork niya. Tapos, it's a keychain. Meron siyang chain. Ito yung chain, kakabit mo dito. It's basically the same photo, back and forth. Acrylic siya. Ito naman medyo, wow! Acetate. No? Acetate, no? Pag sa cards. Kita, no? See-through. Ganda nito. Ganda nito. It's an acetate card of Zhao Lucy. Para siyang insert, ah. Ganda. So, we have a couple of more photo cards here. Ito, mas smooth naman yung texture. 1, 2, 3. Polaroid card nakalagay. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, ito naman, fan set box. I think wala na tong tumbler kasi mas manipis siya from the other one. And again, we have another box inside the box. Ay, nag-ano to? Masyado siyang malaki. So, parang nahin ko na ilabas, ha. Ayan. Siguro maganda ipalagay ito sa ano, laminate or something. Ayan, perform pa si Zhao Lucy dito. So, posters. 2 posters. We have photo cards again, Polaroid card. We have a pin na may cover pa. May cover pa yung pin, plastic. And so, more photo cards. Actually, parang ano siya, no? Gulo-gulo box na siya. Parang mystery talaga kung anong makukuha mo. I think may doble tayo. This, ayan o. I think nakita ko to kanina. So, may mga doubles. Ayan. Again, these are like the matte cards. Okay. So, more photo cards. Ang dami, ah. Ito naman yung parang pahaba na photo card. I guess, another double. Okay. These are the smoother ones. Zhao Lucy, nakalagay sa likod. Cute! Kasi mahilig siya sa dogs, eh. Like us. Ayan, cute. Ganda to. Nice. And more of the matte cards. Tapos, ayan yung pahaba. I really like these. Ito yung trip ko, yung mga acetate cards. Ganda, oh. And dito sa box na to, hindi lang isa yung acetate. So far, dalawa na. So, panalo yan. Okay? Oh! May papel! Hindi ko alam kung ano to. May papel. So, i-translate na lang namin. More photo cards. Oh! Pangatlong acetate na card, oh. More of these tall cards. Oh, wow! Ganda. Ganda na print nito. Guys, yun, oh. Nagre-reflect. Parang if you want the more photos instead nung tumbler, mas maganda yata kunin ito yung mga ganitong klaseng box. Kasi sulit na sulit ang daming photos. And there is it's a framed photo. It's a frame, no? It's pretty thick. Foiled, ayan, colored paper nakalagay. So this is like foil type paper. Ganda, no? Ito maganda display. Okay? More. Kasi baka yung ano yan LBC. And ayan pa, yung mga pahaba, also hollow foils. Okay? And lastly, another big box. So ina-expect ko na may tumbler dito dahil dun sa unang big box. Let us Wala. Sabi na may tumbler Oh. So, uy, wala to kanina. Oh, may wristband. Medyo maliit. Ayoko nang suotin. But, ang ganda may Chinese lettering. I think this is her name. And yung tumbler naman nito, ibang design. Ayan, may tali. Oh, wait lang. Ay, that's cute. Ayan, design. Design niya is an artwork of Zhao Lucy. I think that this is her name. This is like a badge ID card. It's like, ang feel niya is like a credit card. So it's plastic and matigas. Maganda siya. May mga whites lang, pero natatanggal naman. Kailangan lang punasan. And we have a small pin. Ang liit. So we have here another booklet. And maganda yung booklet na to kasi it's a different one. Hindi siya kaparehas nung isa. Ganda ng photo pics. Ang ganda, no? Mga photo shoot nila. And we have here greeting cards. 2. But, yeah, wag natin to ibigay as a greeting card. Sayang naman. Ito naman para siyang photo card na pwede mo siyang hatiin. Pwede mo siyang i-cut. Ayan, may mga lines here. So, pwede, di ba? Tapos i-laminate mo. Ito hindi ako sure. Pero meron siyang numbering 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, i-ano na lang namin. I-check namin. Anyway, that's it. Yan na lahat ng Zhao Lucy items na nabili ng wife ko sa China. So, yun lang guys. I hope you like this Zhao Lucy unboxing. And if you do, please hit a like and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.